Hello everyone, I am back with second video for class 5 EVS first chapter part 2. Let's continue our chapter. So in part 1 we have already discussed about super sense of dog, ants and insects. So now we should read about the position of eyes on head of some birds. So we can see some birds have eyes in front of their head, just like in human beings. Example all, but most of the birds have their eyes on either side or both sides of the head. So they can see two different things at a time and can be safe from hunters or other dangers. When they look straight ahead or when they look in front of them, their both eyes can focus on the same object or things. And you must have seen birds moving their neck very often. You must have seen hen, pigeon, crow and many other such birds. Have you ever wondered why this is so? The reason behind this is, in most of the birds, eyes are fixed and cannot move. So they have to move or turn their head to see any object or things. Eyes are fixed, that means we can move our eyes balls ups and downs, right and left, but some birds have their eyes fixed. They can't move their eyes balls, that is why they need to move their neck to look around. So now the super sense of sight. Sight, that means to see or observe someone or something. So some birds flying high up in the sky can see their food or prey falling on the ground from so far away, which we can't see. That is why we call the sense organ is to be super than human beings. Just like vulture, eagle, kites, they can see things from a distance or of 8 meters, what we can see from a distance of 2 meters. This super sense of sight helps birds to find their food or prey. So here is the questions. Do animals see colors? What do you think? Do animals see colors? Let us discuss. So animals cannot see as many colors as we can. Look at the picture of flowers and see how things is these pictures will be seen by some animals. So it is believed that animals that can wake up in daytime can see some colors, not only all colors, but they can see some original colors. But those animals that are awake at or wake up at night can see things only in black and white in colors. Some examples of those animals which can awake at night for hunting or finding the foods, like tigers, lion, rat, etc. They can see things only in black and white color. So let us revise some animals with super sense of sight. These are tiger, lion, rats, eagles, vultures, kite, etc. So this super sense of sight help them to find their prey or food from far away and also protect themselves from danger. So next we will study about super sense of hearing. So snakes did not have external ears like us. They only can feel the vibration of the ground. In this way snake can find their food. Now sound send message. Let us discuss what type of sound send message to whom. So first is langur monkeys. So langur can hear the sound of tiger, leopard and other danger as well, and they can warn other animals. Warn, that means to inform someone in advance of a possible danger or notify someone in advance. So langur monkeys give inform to other animals in advance of a danger. Next is bird. Bird also give alarm calls to warn about danger. Some birds even have different sounds for different kinds of danger. Birds make a unique whistle sounds with their wings flapping. So there is a different warning call if the enemy is coming from the sky or on the ground. So now fishes also give alarm called by electric signals. They make the sounds like purrs, grunts, rattles, and even tinkles. Some animals can understand when an earthquake or storm is about to come, and that time they behave very differently. People who live in forest side or in the forest, they can observe such behavior of animals and they come to know of the dangers. So as similar as bird, langur, monkeys, small fish, dolphins also make different sounds to give messages to each other. They use a special method to find out any object or animal on their way. This method is called echolocation. Just like the echo produced when you shout out at the mountain valley, how does it happen? When you shout loudly at the mountain's valley, the sound travels up to the mountains and it bounces back or return to you, and you are able to listen to your own voice. So just like the dolphins also produce some kinds of sounds under the water which bounces off after touching and any object in front of them and comes back, and and the other dolphins is able to know of the danger. This is the super sense of dolphin. So we will continue the rest of this chapter in part 3 video. We will meet soon. Thank you.